Hi, welcome back to the GNVS shopping project and long time no see on this tutorial, and I think maybe you guys will missing me, so I have to come back to rework on this project. Okay, so now continue to this project in today, and today is 15, and I would like to show you how to work with the order and other detail in this project. So when we are displaying the data from the order detail, so we are displaying the data for the relationship between the order detail and product table. Okay, so let's go ahead to start the day. I open the website. Yeah. Okay. So currently we have the product page here. Add to cart. Okay, and you are able to click on the continue shopping button to buy another product. You can change the quality, quantity, update, and after you click on the checkout button here, checkout button, and you have to provide the customer information in order to do the checkout. Yeah. So after that, the order had been successfully ordered. So now I'm go ahead to create a order module here. So when user click on the order on the navigation, so we will display the order listing. And when the user click on the order listing, so when user click on the view detail, we will display the order detail order information, which contains the client information, the product information, and also contain the detail of the order. Okay, so now I open the SQL server. This one is refresh this one table. We have order and order detail, and also product table. We have three table here. Have some relationship. Okay, open the order first. Order detail. Okay. Okay. Now back to the Visual Studio. This one is the shortcode of this project, and we have the GNVS shop model order detail here. So when we are working with the multiple table, we have the relationship. So you have to take a look into the navigation property here. You can see in the order detail we have the reference of the of this table into the order table here, and also we have product reference to the product table here. Okay, so now close this one and try to build the project. No need to build it anymore. Okay, so now I go ahead to create a new order controller. I will select this one. Okay, picture. And now I will open the code from the another controller and copy it to save the time. Okay, so I will open the product controller, copy this one. We have to change this one. Create the instance of the contact database. Order. Okay, and this action, so we will display the list of the order on the order index page. So here we have the five item will be displayed on the first page, and if the total number of the order is greater than 5, so we will use the paging feature. So that's why I have used the paged list here. So in order to use the paged list, you have to install the paged list from the new Git. You can open this one, reference data, paged list, and here. So you have to right click on this project and manage new Git package, and you paste here, and after that you install this one on the project. And because currently I already installed it on this project in the previous video, so no need to install it anymore. Okay, close this one. Okay, so we will display the index first. So now create a view for this. Right click on this index and add view. Template, so I will select the template is the listing. List model class should be the order. Add. Okay. So now after that it will automatically create the index in view folder under the order. Okay. And now open the index of the product. Here I go ahead to copy some code done here. Order. Order name. Order date. Okay, build project and try to run it. Succeed build. Open the project and refresh this one. Okay, so Oh, so I have to create a new menu on the navigation. Open the set layout, main layout, copy it. Should be the Okay, so you can see now the order already display on the navigation, and you go ahead to click on the order on the navigation link. So it should be open the list of order in the system. Yeah, you can see here we have order. So the order name be empty. So I think no need to display it here. You can remove it out of the screen. Close it on. Close it. Order name. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So and on the order page, I think we just have the view only. So here I think we should remove the delete and edit button here. Also create new button. Okay, so now come back to the page size. I go ahead to change it to 10 instead of 5. So because for now we are displaying the five product on this on one page. So now it should be have two page here. If we change the maximum of the item on a page, so it should I think it should be one page instead of two. Refresh this one. No, we have to view because we have not changed the controller code. If you have any change on the view code, so no need to build the project. Otherwise, if you have any change on the controller, so you have to build the project. Okay, it look better. So now okay, so you take a look into the betting feature here. Currently we have only one bet. So basically if the bet is one, we should hide this one. And when the bet is greater than one, so we should display it. Okay, so now back to the view code and write the code for checking it here. Greater than one. Okay, should be span. Save it to refresh. Yeah. So now because currently we have only one page of data, so the paging feature will be hidden. Okay, so I will change the backend code and I change the controller code. So for testing this one, and I change it to the back to file, build again project. Refresh this one. So file. Oh sorry, this one is product controller. So now back to the order controller, we change it to file. Review project. Succeed. So after you review the project and it is the first time for loading, so it will take a long time. Okay, so here you can see the paging feature has been backed. Okay, it works fine for now. You click on the page 2, page 1. Okay, fine. So now when the user click on the detail button here, we have to display the data or for the detail page. On the top we will display the information of the order, and the bottom we display the order detail. Okay, so now go ahead to back to the Visual Studio Code and we write the code for detail. Okay, so I open the code of another controller and copy. Okay, and this action, so we will get the data of the detail of order based on the ID. Okay, so for example, back to the order, when we view the detail of the order with the ID 1, so it should be return the information of the order 1 here with this information on the top of the order detail page, and on the button, so we will display the information of detail product for order detail 1. It should be three items. The same thing for the order 2, it should be 1. For the 8, it should be 4 items in detail. Okay, so now back to the code, shortcode. I will right click on detail here and create a detail page for order. Detail, it should be detail order. Okay, and now we try to run it first. view this one. Okay, click on the order on the navigation. Okay, click on the detail. This one is the order detail with ID Entiy. Click on it here. You can see here we have the information of the order detail for order. And however, currently we have only the information of the order with some status is payment details, status, customer name, customer phone, email, and address. There is the information in the order table only. And open the order detail. In the order detail is only display in the order detail table it only have some the order ID and product ID. And now we go ahead to display the detail of information for this order. Okay, so now back to the code website here. You can see here the look and feel of the order detail is not good here, so we should change something on this page. Back to the view. So now view okay. I will remove the order name. No need anymore because it is empty. Order date, payment time. Cannot edit, so remove this one. Okay, refresh the page. Yeah, you can see it look better for now. Okay, fully back to the order. You can see here we have order. The date time is not look good here, so we have to do some the formatting for this first. Index order. Okay. String format. Man đây đây here. Refresh. Okay, it worked fine for now. And you can see for now the order date it look good on the order listing page. We do the same thing for the order detail. Okay, good for now. And for now, I'm going to have to add a table here below this the customer address. So it should be display the all of the product in the order, in this order. Okay. Yes, it is order 9. So for view detail, we should display something here. I will open the color, copy the code, color view. No, it should be the index color. I will copy the structure of this table. Okay. Open sequence server order detail. We have product, um, price and quantity. Okay, we have three column. Jump dot order detail. Order detail. Order detail. Product ID. Okay. So now we will remove this one. Okay. Okay, and try to view the code. Order. Okay, click on the view detail. Here you can see the order 9 here. We have the first one is the order detail information of the customer, and the below we have the order detail. There is the information of the product the client have been ordered. Open the sequence server. Okay, here 9 we have two products in this table. Okay, try to enter the 8 in this 4 product. Okay, and for the 6 it should be 3. Okay, 5. So we do some the format for this one. Okay, so open the product. Patio. We can copy this one to detail. Okay, so I think that's all for today. And after you finish this video, you know how to create the order in navigation. And when the user click on the order, so it will display the order listing. And when on the order listing page, it will display the listing of the order in the system. And when the user click on the view detail for specific order, so it should be display the information of the client and also display the all of the product in the order. Okay, so after you finish this video, you also know how to work with the multiple table relationship in the entity framework. Okay, so I hope that helped, and feel free to let me know if you see any issue during the demo. Okay, bye bye and see you later.